Python is a powerful language which empowers ethical hackers to strengthen cybersecurity defenses. In this video, we will explore how Python can be your ultimate ally in the realm of ethical hacking with real examples. With Python, we can automate the process of gathering information about our target, making our job both easier and more efficient. Python's extensive libraries, such as Escape and Nmap, empower us to scan networks, detect vulnerabilities, and fortify our defenses against potential threats.
The first step is to install Nmap tool. In Linux, sudo apt install Nmap. Then install the Python library for Nmap with sudo apt install python 3-nmap command. Next up, we will delve into network scanning with Python 3. We start with using the Nmap module in the Python command line. Import Nmap, call nmap.portscanner function, give the IP address of targeted host and the range of ports we want to scan. Check the command that will be run with this Python code. Run the scan info function to print the scan information. To get the host names in the targeted host, call the hostname function. Let's check the status of the target host. We can get the protocol on the open port by calling all protocols function. If you run the scan for a range of IP addresses, use all hosts function to list IP address of all hosts in the provided range. Now we create a test.py file and put the syntax into the file and then run the script. Import Nmap. It will scan a target host and print the host or hosts has responded to the scan. Save and exit the file. Let's run the script with Python 3 test.py. Easy, right? Let's add some lines in the code to print open ports and protocols. Let's explore how to perform a TCP connect scan using python-nmap. This script will print the name of services and its version. We can check possible exploitation in the identified services. Another useful Python library is Escape. Escape is able to forge or decode packets of a wide number of protocols, sniffing traffic and manipulate the packets. We can install it with sudo apt install python 3-escape. Sudo escape to load the library. Use sniff and pass argument count to capture a given number of packets. It will print the information of all captured packets. The counting starts from 0. For printing information of the first packet, use packets and pass 0. For second packet, pass number 1. This is the position of the packet information in the Python array. To get the summary of the packet, call summary function. Let's use Escape to create and send a TCP SYN packet to a target host. This command will create a TCP SYN packet with a destination IP address of 127.0.0.1 and a destination port of 80 and send it to the target host. It will create a packet and send it to the given target.
As you see, Python's simplicity and readability make it a perfect choice for crafting exploits and payloads. Whether you are intercepting data, cracking passwords, or analyzing vulnerabilities, Python equips you with the tools to navigate the ethical hacking landscape with finesse and precision. Python isn't just a language, it's a key that unlocks a world of possibilities in the realm of ethical hacking. So grab your keyboards, fire up your terminals, and let's dive into the endless potential of Python for ethical hacking.